Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare Pattanam Pakoda, the famous street food originally from Chennai. Chennai was called Pattanam in olden days. This style of pakoda is now also very popular in most of the roadside tea shops around Tamil Nadu. Unlike other pakodas which use chickpea flour, Pattanam Pakoda is prepared with roasted gram powder, which keeps the pakodas very crunchy on the outside for a long time and a soft crumbly texture on the inside. Taste-wise, it's very flavorful and delicious from the other pakoda varieties. To prepare this, you need half cup roasted gram. Make a fine powder using a blender. You also need half cup chickpea flour, which is optional. If you're not using chickpea flour, increase roasted gram flour to 1 cup. Using only roasted gram flour will give a more crumbly texture to pakodas. Also take half cup rice flour. Two medium-sized onions thinly sliced. 2 green chillies finely chopped, quarter teaspoon chilli powder, few chopped curry leaves and 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Handful of broken cashews. Handful of chopped mint and coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons room temperature butter, quarter teaspoon hing, 1 tablespoon coarsely powdered fennel and cumin seed, 1 teaspoon salt, and quarter teaspoon baking soda. First, in a mixing plate, add all ingredients except butter, baking soda, and flours. Mix and mash well to combine all ingredients together. Let it sit for some time so that onions release out its moisture. Next, in a mixing bowl, add butter and baking soda. Beat well with hands. The warmth of the hand combines butter and baking soda to a smooth paste. Next, add the flours one by one and sieve to get a fine smooth powder. This step is important to give a nice smooth texture for the pakodas. Mix the flours evenly with the butter baking soda paste. Then add the onion spice mix. First, mix and combine them without any water. The moisture from the onions will help bind the flours together. Then add just a little more water and combine everything together into a smooth mixture. Make required size of loose balls from the dough. This pakoda mix gave me 20 pakoda balls. In a wide cooking pan, add required amount of oil to deep fry. Fry the pakodas in small batches. Fry them in medium flame and keep turning them in constant intervals so that they are fried evenly on all sides. Take them out in a plate. Flavorful, delicious pakodas are now ready. It has a very crisp outside and a very soft inside. The next time you prepare pakodas, try making this way and your family will definitely love this new flavorful variety of pakoda. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.